Hey guys, it's me JSHDIY. I'm super excited because today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the coolest clear slimes ever, and you don't need any glue or borax to make any of these slimes, and you already have all the ingredients at home to make them. Today's notification squad shoutouts go to Ashley Ryaz and Jasmine Vlog, Riley Line, and also Keiki Lizzie. As you guys know, in each video I post, I do a slime giveaway, so this week's slime giveaway, I will be giving away 20 rainbow slime palettes. All you have to do to enter in this week's slime package giveaway is watch my video that I posted on my second channel. It is my last day of summer vlog. It will be linked in the first link in the description box. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can subscribe to that channel for an extra entry. But I will be entering everybody that watches that video. Beginning of this year, I posted a recipe to make slime with this Suave shampoo, and I think it's safe to say that you guys really enjoyed that video because it has over 11 million views now, which is absolutely crazy. But today, I thought I would show you guys my new and improved version of this recipe, and there's a little twist. We are going to be making a giant batch of it. To make this slime, you are going to be needing cream of tartar and some clear shampoo. First, put however much shampoo you want to turn into slime into a container of your choice, and then add in 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar for every 1 cup of shampoo you have. The cream of tartar is what is going to turn this into slime, so this is important. The cream of tartar will actually activate the slime by you mixing it, so make sure you mix it a lot. And you will know you're done mixing it when you see no more chunks of cream of tartar and your slime has thickened up. I actually let the slime clear up outside because I found that the sun helps all the air bubbles rise faster. But after I activated the slime with the cream of tartar and I let it dry out for a couple days, you guys can see we were left with a nice, thick, and clicky clear slime. I've also decided that I want to send this slime out to one of you guys, so if you would like to win it, all you have to do is watch my new video on my second channel, which I will link in the description box. If you guys make this slime recipe, make sure to let me know in the comments how yours turned out. I would love to hear from you guys. So excited to announce to you guys that I will be hosting another giveaway. This time there is going to be 101 different giveaway winners. You could be a lucky winner that will get to pick between either a MacBook or an iPhone X. So check out the description box to hear about all the other awesome prizes I will be giving away to you guys. All you're going to need to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to my channel, JSHDIY, subscribe to my family's channel, JSH Family, and subscribe to my second channel called Julius. I will have the links to all those channels in the description, so make sure to subscribe to those if you want to enter the giveaway. In my videos on all of those 3 channels, I will be randomly announcing giveaway winners, so make sure to be watching the videos till the very end to see if you win. I wanted to make the biggest no glue slime on YouTube, so that is what we're going to be doing right now. And totally size this recipe down and make a smaller portion of it, and it should work exactly the same, but I went to the store and I just got a bunch of Pantene. About 10 bottles of shampoo later, I decided to add in some water so that it would be a little bit thinner and not too dry. I wouldn't really recommend adding water into a smaller batch, but because I'm making such a big batch, I want to be able to play with it, so I added water so it'd be more stretchy. Then just mix the shampoo and the water together until it was all well combined. This next step is optional, but I'm going to add in a bunch of aloe vera to make it less sticky once it is all dried out. I'm gonna pop a lid on this so that we can add the rest of the shampoo tomorrow once it is a little bit thicker. Guys, it is the next day. I just wanted to let it dry out a bit before we added in more shampoo, but I just added in 4 or 5 bottles of Pantene shampoo again to make it a giant slime. There is actually 3 ways you can go about activating this slime, and I will show them all to you guys right now. The first method is by adding in a bunch of cream of tartar and then stirring it up a ton until it thickens. Understand that not everybody has cream of tartar at home, so activate it by using table salt, so if you don't have cream of tartar, this should work pretty well too. As you guys can see, the salt is really thickening up the slime. You guys can see it's pretty much the slime consistency already. At this point, my slime was pretty much all the way activated by doing all these methods, but the last one I always get requests to try out, and that is adding some salt into water and then mixing it into the slime. This is sort of like making a borax activator, but I will say this can melt your slime, so if you have kind of a thinner slime, I wouldn't recommend doing this. I ended up going back in with some more salt because I kind of melted the slime by doing that method, but I was really actually getting a thick slime consistency. Okay guys, now that my slime is activated, I'm going to let it sit for a couple days to clear up and also dry out. To my surprise, the slime actually turned out amazingly, so enjoy the ASMR. It was super clicky and very thick. Also shot some footage of this slime outside because the lighting was super good, so enjoy these clips also. Oh gosh. I mean, I didn't forget it, but I... Sticking with the theme of making giant slimes, I will be showing you guys how to make a giant slime palette without any glue. This recipe is super easy and you can totally customize it to make whatever type of slime palette you want. To make the slime, all you need to do is just add a little bit of the shampoo into each compartment. The shampoo I used was the Garnier one because you guys asked me to test it out. I decided I want to make a rainbow slime palette, so I just added in a little bit of food coloring into each row. The fun thing about making these slime palettes is you can totally add in whatever you want. I decided to add in some metallic powder and some holographic glitter just to make things a little bit more fun. And then to activate this and transform your shampoo into slime, you just need to add in a little bit of salt and then just mix it all in. Give your slime palette a couple days to clear up and dry out, and you should end up with something like this. To you guys that watch my videos because you think they're satisfying, I thought I would include this little bit of me making clay popping for the first time a couple weeks back. I basically just made these little donuts and then I covered them with slime as the frosting, and it actually turned out very satisfying. So I will let you guys enjoy the ASMR of this, and yeah. So much for watching this video. I had a great time hanging out with you guys, and if you did too, you should definitely subscribe if you aren't already. And if you are subscribed, make sure to check to see if you have that notification bell clicked. And I also will put some videos up on the screen for you guys in case you want to go hang out with me over there. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys over on those videos. Bye guys!